Docker is so good, then why do so few web developers actually use it? I didn't for a long time. I had plenty of experience managing software, running virtual machines and configuring dependencies. So Docker just seemed a little bit unnecessary. Now you may think it's not for you either. Perhaps you mostly work on your own, so sharing dependencies with others is less of an issue. But part of my problem was that I didn't understand what Docker could do. The documentation is vast and tutorials are often quite poor. They presume you know Docker jargon, they over-explain or gloss over important points, and they rarely describe how to use Docker during development. So as an example, I've created many WordPress websites. Now WordPress powers around 1/3 of the web, so you've probably encountered it at some point. What I'd usually do is develop WordPress themes and plugins directly in the host OS, or sometimes I'd fire up an Ubuntu virtual machine. Either way, I'd then need to install and maintain Apache, SSL, PHP, MySQL, and WordPress itself. And that's all before commencing real development work. The equivalent Docker process takes minutes to initialize, and that's because somebody else has done most of the hard work already. You can choose any versions you like and clone it for every new WordPress project. And each site you create exists in its own isolated development environment. That can be added to source control and distributed to other developers. Docker saves hours of effort. But I've never actually deployed WordPress to a production server using Docker. You can, but there's rarely a need to. There are hundreds of cheap WordPress hosts. Someone else can manage all the production dependencies for you. But you don't get any surprises or issues because Docker replicates the live environment locally using all the same dependencies. The point is, Docker makes it easier to develop web applications, and this course will convince you of that.